To grow jasmine from cuttings, first, start with a green, healthy stem that's sprouting leaves and that grew in the current year. Use pruning shears to snip a 4 to 6 inch, 10 to 15 centimeter cutting off of the stem, just below a leaf node. Pull off any leaves from the bottom of the cutting and pinch off any flowers from the top. Removing the flowers now will help keep your cutting healthy. Fill a small, well-draining pot with potting soil and water the soil so it's wet. Push a pencil down into the soil to make a hole that's deep enough for the bottom third of the cutting. Then, dip the cut end of the cutting in some rooting hormone, which will help the roots grow faster and stronger, and insert the dipped end into the hole you made. Press the soil in around the cutting, then cover it with a plastic bag filled with air. Make sure the bag isn't touching the cutting, or it could cause mold. Place the pot with your cutting in a sunny window and wait 4 to 6 weeks for roots to grow. Once your jasmine cutting has roots, transplant it to a new pot and place it somewhere that it will get at least 6 hours of sunlight per day.